Last night, Mr. Lion attached us and took one of our invaluable cows. 15 liters of milk every day. Where were you? This won't happen. Don't sorry me. Leave my eyes now. Monkey, dog, and Kasongo come here very fast. Ready for the mission. He caused big loss in our cattle milk production, and I want him now. Disappear from here now. Go and change your outfit.
The King's orders are clear. We locate the target at the rendezvous point deep in the ravine and extract by dawn. Failure is not. We move out. And then the sergeant steps right into the swamp, looks down, and just says, well, this stinks. Are you serious? We almost lost him in the mud that day. Do not engage. I repeat, hold your fire until I give the signal.
They know me. One day in the North Columbia, I shot the target 1,000 miles. I will shoot his ass. You remember how the King took my heart because of this fucking bitch? I will not spare him anyhow.
Not attack the target until my signal. Understood, Your Majesty.
The moment I find the target, I will shoot his ass directly. No Mary for that fucking bitch today.
Be careful, friends. It's fucking dangerous too. If we don't shoot his ass, it's gonna be his dinner, guys.
Honey, be careful.
Don't worry, honey, because whatever happens, I will bring this bitch alive. My wife is worried, but I have to.
Terrified by the ostrich's aggression, the honey badger abandons its hunt and flees frantically across the savanna. Unexpectedly, the ostrich snatches a small mongoose with its beak and quickly runs away, leaving the pack in shock. Sensing the threat, the sentinels give a high-pitched alarm call to warn the entire family. The honey badger breaks into a sprint, determined to catch a mongoose despite their agility. A frantic chase ensues across the savanna as the mongooses scatter in all directions to confuse the attacker. The honey badger relentlessly pursues its target, closing the gap in this life and death struggle. With incredible speed, the honey badger charges forward and firmly grips the mongoose in its powerful jaws. Despite the badger's fearsome reputation, the mongooses surround it, refusing to let their companion be carried away. A fierce struggle breaks out as dozens of mongooses bite and scratch at the honey badger from every angle. The honey badger snarls in defiance, gripping its prey tightly while trying to fend off the relentless mob. The savanna turns into a chaotic battlefield as the mongooses use their strength in numbers to overwhelm the predator. The mongoose pack intensifies their formation, surrounding the honey badger and aggressively trying to drive it away from their captured companion. Overwhelmed with rage, the honey badger snarls and roars repeatedly before finally deciding to grab the mongoose and flee. Several brave mongooses even jump onto the badger's back, risking their lives to force it to drop their brother. The honey badger tries to make a run for it, but the pack keeps pace, creating a moving wall of fur and fury. Dust clouds rise as the intense tug-of-war continues, with neither side showing any sign of backing down. Every second is a test of will as the mongooses fight tooth and nail for the survival of their fallen member. The intense battle between the mongoose pack and the honey badger escalates as neither side is willing to retreat. The mongooses coordinate their attacks with precision, darting in and out to exhaust the badger's defenses. Faced with overwhelming pressure from dozens of angry mongooses, the honey badger begins to show signs of fatigue. Despite its thick skin and legendary endurance, the predator realizes it cannot win against such a unified force. Sensing a change in the tide, the honey badger decides to prioritize its own safety over a meal. After a long and exhausting day of failed hunting, the